You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
Hey guys, welcome back in my channel. My name is Anurag and you're watching my channel Custom Your ROM. So today we are going to review Phoenix OS. So let's get started. So first step, how to install it. Installation very simple. It's pretty simple. You have to go, the link is given in the below. Just click the exe file to run. This is a simple application. Just click it on it and so that you are pretty easy to go. It will take a few seconds to load, so let us give it a few seconds to load. Then after it will get loaded. After getting loaded, you can simply you can simply install it. Then it will ask that you have to install an UDisk or you have to install it in a hard disk. So if it's upon you, you can make a new disk and you go through the BIOS. But I am going here from the hard drive, which will make user experience more great and also increase the performance. So I will suggest you to go with hard drive. You have to select the GB variant that you want: 4GB, 8GB, 16GB or 32GB. You can take upon your, but if you take the minimum storage, it will take less time, and if you will take greater storage, it will take more time. So it's all upon you. You can give which amount if you want. So I am not installing because I am already having that installed in my PC. So here you can just switch off your PC and restart it, and Windows will ask that from which you have to boot, Phoenix OS or Windows 8.1. Just 8.1 is mine, but which Windows will be yours, it will ask. So just click on Phoenix OS and you are good to go. And here comes the setting. You get the display, everything here, set all stockly. So you don't have to change anything, but if you want to, you can change as pointer speed and acceleration. It's all upon you that how you have to change or not. But I have not changed it yet, so you can change. So let's talk about the gaming. Everyone's favorite game, yes, Pubg Mobile, Pubg Mobile. So it can play very easily with, you get a game helper which assigns the key. So you can modify a key and you get HDR at ultra FPS. So it's really good at old PC, and I am having an i3 second generation with 4 gigs of RAM. You can play it very easy. If you are having 3 gigs of RAM, yes, you are ready to go. But its minimum requirement is 3 gigs of RAM for Pubg Mobile and emulators. So you should need minimum 3 gigs of RAM. If you are having 2 gigs, it could run, but it will be super laggy. So I would recommend to go to 3GB to upgrade it, and you are good to go. As you can see, you can play very smoothly at HDR at ultra FPS. Yes, this is the gameplay, and you would see now the classic gameplay of it. So just see and enjoy it. I will get back to this video. Thank you guys. Not only this game, but Assaulto Racing is also there, and lot many more. I will make another video for it, at how many games I have tested it. I will test all the games. This is our only few games which I am testing on it. So this is the HD Ultra, as my PC is very low for it to run HDR, so I am running it at HD. So guys, enjoy the gameplay. Let's us move to another game, Assaulto. This is very good game who want to play and shift to Unleashed game on their mobile phone or on your PC itself, as Shift to Unleashed is very high-end game, but this gives as same as the graphics as it has the shadow and everything. So this is very good game. You all can download and play. This is not my all-time favorite, but yes, this is my favorite game. One of the favorite game which I played. One more thing about Phoenix OS is that it's really stable than any other OS Android operating system for PC. You will watch my next video of Phoenix OS only, that how many games you can play and at what setting you can play on this very easily on your old laptops, old PC. Yes, Anurag here, signing out. Peace out. Yo.